biting and shit. We doing this shit, right?
Yep, it's recording.
Hold on. You filming?
Yeah.
Come on, man. I ain't letting you through me. I'm not gonna go through you.
Ooh. That wasn't a slam. That was just a pick up and set it down like it's a baby.
Alright then. Holy shit.
Come on.
I'll let you back up, bitch.
Oh, come on, slam it. Pick him up. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Is that good enough?
Nope, nope, you're still going. Gotta wait till somebody taps out.
Yeah.
Till somebody taps out, man.
Oh my god. I can't do it after that. I'm laughing too hard.
Alright, Dean, get him.
Slam me. Come on.
Get him while he's laughing, motherfucker. Shit.
Slam me. Fuck. I'm too tired out to slam right now. Boy, filming. Yeah, it's over.